Welcome once again to Easy English Explanation by Pooja Joshi. So, here we are going to start with the last but not the least, that is, sixth sub part of lesson number 5, the 100 dresses, part 1. As I have already told you many times, and we all know, then the story of lesson number 5 and 6 are combined together. They form a one big whole, very emotional, touching story. And we are only dealing with the chapter 5, that is the 100 dresses part 1, standard 10th, first flight book of English language, first language. So how are you all? Do you guess and judge anybody by their appearances? So here also is something like that. When a very poor girl, which is very rarely talking with her classmates, she is treated differently by other classmates, and she is being teased by others, as she always gives the answer that she had 100 dresses and she had multiple times than she may have really dresses or shoes or anything, but she is giving the answer that she is having too many of them. And anyone can guess that she had a only single faded blue dress which she used to wear to school. So two girls, especially Peggy, out of the two girls, Peggy and Maddie, Peggy used to make maximum fun of her, and other girls also used to laugh at her. So about her being not exactly her being poor, but when she told that she had 100 dresses, उसके ऊपर सब हंसते थे. उसका नाम वेंडा पेट्रोन्स्की था. एक तो उसका नाम अजीब था, और सब इसलिए हंसते थे क्योंकि जब भी उससे कुछ पूछा जाए कि उसके पास कितनी ड्रेसेस थे, तो वो ये बताती थी कि उसके पास 100 ड्रेसेस हैं, जबकि सच्चाई ये थी कि वह हमेशा एक ही ड्रेस पहन के स्कूल आती थी, जिसकी शाइन भी चली गई थी, और वो ब्लू कलर का एक ड्रेस था. तो वह ऐसा क्यों कहती थी, ये धीरे धीरे हमें लेसन में पता चलेगा. और इसी की कंटिन्यूशन में लेसन नंबर 6 भी है, द 100 ड्रेसेस पार्ट 2, जिसके वीडियोस हम ये 5th नंबर का लेसन पूरा फिनिश होने के बाद करेंगे, यानी कि नेक्स्ट पार्ट में करेंगे. और जो उसे स्कूल में सब उसके ऊपर हंसते थे, उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा जो उसे चिढ़ाती थी वो दो लड़कियों में से पैगी और मैडी में से पैगी उसे सबसे ज़्यादा चिढ़ाती थी, जो खुद एक बहुत ही रिच, सुंदर दिखने वाली, अमीर और बहुत अच्छी फेमस लड़की थी स्कूल की, जो ड्राइंग भी बहुत अच्छा करती थी और उसमें काफ़ी सारी खूबियाँ थी. और दूसरी ओर थी मैडी, जो खुद बहुत ही पुअर थी, पर वो सिर्फ अपनी बहुत ही अच्छी दोस्त, ख़ास दोस्त पैगी का साथ देने के लिए उसे चिढ़ाती थी. तो आइए देखते हैं हम इस वीडियो में. आपको एज़ यूजुअल you will get the regularly reading of each and every word thoroughly, plus you will get the vocabulary, word meanings, and this will make this lesson very simple for you. For the previous parts you can see my previous videos, and if possible then I'll also share you the video links, as I've already shared in the WhatsApp group. So let me read out from here. As for the girls, she said, although just 1 or 2 sketches were submitted by most, one girl and room 13 should be proud of her. This one girl actually drew 100 designs, all different and all beautiful. In the opinion of the judges, any one of the drawings is worthy of winning the prize. I am very happy to say that Vanda Petronsky is the winner of the girls' medal. Now, let's see the word meanings, if any. I think it's quite easy. All the word meanings are quite easy, as and when I'll tell you the word meanings if necessary. Okay, now the teacher, what does she say? Teacher is announcing the winners. When the class had assembled, the teacher, Miss Mason, announced the winners. Jack Bagels had won. In the boys who had won, Jack Bagels was his name, and he designed a beautiful outboard motor. And that exhibition for the boys was in room number 12. And the girls' exhibition, as you all know, was in room number 13, the next class. And in the room number 13, all the beautiful designs of dresses were made by one girl, and now we'll know the name of the girl. And the teacher announced now that one or two sketches all have submitted, but there is one girl. Room number 13 should be proud of that girl, because that girl had drawn 100 dresses designs, and all the designs were very beautiful. And judges who decided about the dresses prize of this contest, they had the opinion that any one of the dresses is equally winner. Any one of the drawings is worthy of winning the prize. All the drawings are beautiful, but they are 100, and the 100 dress designs are drawn by a single girl who had submitted this, and her name is Wanda Petronsky, and she has won the girls medal, and the class should be proud of her because she has given 100 designs and all designs are equally beautiful. Now टीचर क्या कहती है कि बॉयज़ में तो कौन जीत रहा है? जैक बेगल्स करके एक लड़का है, वो बॉयज़ में जीत गया है। उसने एक बहुत ही अच्छी आउटबोर्ड मोटर बनाई है, और बॉयज़ का एग्जीबिशन रूम नंबर 12 में लगा हुआ था, जैसे, और जहाँ दूसरी तरफ गर्ल्स का एग्जीबिशन रूम नंबर 13 में लगा हुआ था। टीचर ने आगे ये बताया कि ये 100 ड्रेसेस एक ही लड़की ने बनाई है। उस लड़की ने क्लास को प्राउड कर दिया है, क्योंकि जजेस के ओपिनियन, न्यायाधीशों का ओपिनियन ये था, जिसने ये जजमेंट किया है कॉन्टेस्ट का, कि कोई भी एक ड्राइंग भी प्राइज़ जीतने के लिए काफ़ी थी, और वैसी 100 सुंदर अलग अलग डिज़ाइन बनाई है, और वो गर्ल का नाम है वेंडा पेट्रोंस्की, जिसने रूम नंबर 13 को बहुत गौरव दिलवाया है, गौरव महसूस करवाया है। अब देखें आगे, लेट अस सी अहेड एंड द लास्ट पेज ऑफ द लेसन नंबर 5. Very beautiful designs are shown here. Some of the designs they are shown here as on the last page, and even here, as you can see. So let's see the last page of the lesson number 5. Unfortunately, Wanda has been absent from school for some days and is not here to receive the applause that is due to her. Let us hope she will be back tomorrow. And now, class, you may file around the room quietly and look at her exquisite drawings. Here, see the meaning of applause. Applause means to give claps, to clap. To clap, applause. Here. Then file around. File around means one area we move around there in one proper line, that is called filing around. And exquisite drawing. Exquisite means very beautiful drawing. So यहाँ पे Wanda was absent for few days from the school. That is unfortunate. That is unlucky. And she is not here to receive such big honor and prize by a poor girl whom nobody likes to talk to except for making fun. So teacher hopes that she will be back soon. She will be back tomorrow maybe. And then teacher asks the class that you can just file around in a straight line. You can just move around and look at her beautiful drawings. ये बहुत ही कम नसीब की बात है। बदनसीबी से वैंडा कुछ दिनों से स्कूल आ नहीं रही थी। वह छुट्टी पे थी, गैर हाज़िर थी, और उसे ये तालियां नहीं मिल पाएंगी जो उसे मिलनी चाहिए थी। और टीचर ये आशा रखती है कि वो जल्दी से, यानी कि कल भी आ सकती है। और उसके बाद वो क्लास से कहती है कि आप क्लास में एक बार लाइन बना के एक चक्कर लगाइए और वेंडा पेट्रोंस्की के बनाए हुए ब्यूटीफुल डिज़ाइंस देखिए। The children burst into applause. Even the boys were glad to have a chance to stamp on the floor, put their fingers in mouths, and whistle, though they were not interested in dresses. Look, Peg, whispered Maddie. That's that blue one she told us about. Isn't that beautiful? Yes, said Peggy. And here's that green one, boy. and I thought I could draw. So here what happens? The children, they burst into applause. Burst into applause means they gave a big round of laughter, means they clapped their hands, and suddenly and spontaneously in a loud voice, they made a loud voice by clapping hands. And boys were also glad, but boys were not interested in the designs of the frocks or dresses, but they were interested in putting their feet, stamping their feet on the floor to make noise anyhow. Children, they like to make noise. They put their fingers in their mouth to whistle, and they were not interested in the dresses too. And Maddie told to Peg that, see that blue one she told us about, that blue with a different colorful stripes. And Maddie told that, see, it's a beautiful design. Peggy also agreed, and she said that yes. And here's that green one she was talking about. And Peggy told that, I thought that I could draw, but here Vanda Petronsky has outsmarted, and she has shown her talent now by these 100 beautiful designs and the drawings of the dresses, which won her a prize. And now Peggy and Maddie, I think they have changed their mind and view about Vanda Petronsky. So let's see what happens in the next lesson, that is lesson number 6, the 100 dresses part 2. Were they able to find Vanda Petronsky again? Will they be again friends with Vanda Petronsky? Will everything be sorted out? Will they be friends again? Will they ask forgiveness or apologize to Vanda Petronsky? Let's see what all happens in the next session, in the next video. But promise me to take very good care of yourself. Till the time being, goodbye and take care. So stay safe and stay at home for that. Do not forget to wash your hands off and on, and like and share my videos. Your comments are very valuable to me. Okay, यहाँ पे एंड में क्या है कि सब बच्चे बहुत ही ज़ोर ज़ोर से तालियां बजाने लगे खुशी से, और कुछ बॉयज़ तो बहुत ही खुश हुए कि उन्हें ज़मीन पे स्टैम्प करने का, ज़मीन पे पाँव पटकने का चांस मिला, जिससे कि आवाज़ उत्पन्न हो सके। वह लोग सीटियाँ बजाने लगे, क्लास में आवाज़ करने लगे, जबकि उन्हें डिज़ाइंस में इतना बॉयज़ को इंटरेस्ट होता नहीं है। फिर मैडी ने पैगी से कहा कि पैग, ये ही वो डिज़ाइन है, देखिए वो ब्लू कलर का जिसके बारे में उसने हमें बताया था, काफ़ी सुंदर डिज़ाइन है ना। और पैगी ने कहा कि हाँ, यहाँ पर वह ग्रीन वाला भी है जिसके बारे में उसने बताया था, वह भी बहुत सुंदर है, और मुझे ये लगता था कि मैं चित्र बना सकती हूँ, मैं ड्रॉ कर सकती हूँ। पर अब पैगी और मैडी के विचार वेंडा पेट्रोन्स्की के बारे में शायद काफ़ी बदल चुके हैं। अब उन्हें पता चला है कि सिर्फ ड्रेसेस से कुछ नहीं होता, इंसान के पास टैलेंट होना चाहिए, और अब वेंडा पेट्रोन्स्की ने प्रूव कर दिया है कि उसके पास भी टैलेंट है। तो अब देखिए कि नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में लेसन नंबर 6 द 100 ड्रेसेस पार्ट 2 में क्या होता है। क्या ये लड़कियां फिर दोस्त बनेंगी? क्या वेंडा पेट्रोन्स्की स्कूल में कभी वापस आएगी? क्या वेंडा पेट्रोन्स्की का सब लोगों से इक्वेशन और रिलेशंस चेंज हो जाएगा? क्या ये सब फिर से अच्छे दोस्त बन जाएंगे? आगे क्या होगा? क्या ये लोग माफ़ी मांगती हैं वेंडा पेट्रोन्स्की से या नहीं मांगती हैं? तो ये सब देखने के लिए, जानने के लिए मिलते हैं अगले पार्ट में। बाय बाय, सी यू।